Good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss second year zoology, breathing and exchange of gases. Unit 1B, breathing and exchange of gases. This video is 8th, class 8th. Okay, this video zoology, second year. Unit 1B. One, Unit 1B, breathing and exchange of gases. Exchange of gases, this video or this class. 8. Now we see transportation of carbon dioxide. Transportation or transport. Transport of carbon dioxide. Topic is breathing and exchange of gases. Okay. Transport of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide transport mainly three types. Carbon dioxide transport mainly three types. Last class we discussed about inhalation and exhalation. Exhalation. Carbon dioxide releases by lungs from atmosphere is exhalation. This is carbon dioxide transportation. Carbon dioxide mainly transportation by three ways or three types. Three ways. Carbon dioxide mainly transported by three ways. The first one is indissolved state. Carbon dioxide transported by mainly three ways or three types. The first one in dissolved state. In dissolved state. So 7% of carbon dioxide transported by indissolved state. Mainly 7%. 7% carbon dioxide transported by dissolved state. 7% of carbon dioxide is carried in a dissolved state through plasma. Through plasma. 7% of is carbon dioxide is carried in dissolved state in plasma. Through plasma. Through plasma. This is the first one. CO2 plus H2O. CO2 plus H2O. H2CO2. H2 CO2. CO2 plus H2O. H2CO2. Okay. This is the first one. Transport of carbon dioxide three ways. The first way, indissolved state. Indissolved state. 7% of carbon dioxide is carried in a dissolved state in plasma. This is the first one. And next, second one. As carbamino compounds. As carbamino compounds. As carbamino compounds. Above 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide, carbamino direct with free amino groups of the hemoglobin and forms carbamine hemoglobin forms carbamine hemoglobin in a reversible manner. In a reversible manner. This is the second one. As carbamino compounds. Transportation of carbon dioxide. Second way. As carbamino compounds. About 20 to 25% of carbamines direct with free amino groups of the hemoglobin and forms carbamino hemoglobin carbamino hemoglobin carbamino hemoglobin in a reversible manner Hp NH2 plus CO2 Hb NH2 plus CO2 Hb NHCO plus H plus. This is the carbamino hemoglobin. This is the carbamino hemoglobin. Okay. And next one, this binding of CO2. This binding of CO2 is related to the partial pressure of CO2. PO2 is a major factor which could affect binding. Next one, this binding of CO2 is related the partial pressure of CO2 and PO2 is a major factor which could affect the binding. And next one, when PCO2 of high and PO2 is low, when PCO2 of high and PO2 is low, as in the tissues binding of major carbon dioxide occurs when PCO2 is low, PO2 is high as in the alveoli. So this is the transportation of carbon dioxide. Second one, this binding of carbon dioxide is related of the partial pressure of carbon dioxide, PO2 is a major factor. Okay, when could affect the binding? When PCO2 are high and PO2 is low, as in the tissues binding of major carbon dioxide occurs. Okay, next one. When PCO2 is low, PO2 is high, as in the alveoli. Alveoli is the gas exchanges branches. Gas exchanges in the alveoli. Carbon dioxide and oxygen is exchanges in the alveoli. Alveoli releases in the carbon dioxide lungs. Okay. Next, third one. And next, third one. As bicarbonates. As bicarbonates. This is third. Carbon dioxide transportation is mainly three ways. This is third way. About 70% of carbon dioxide transport bicarbonates. Transported by bicarbonates. 70% of carbon dioxide is transported by bicarbonates. RBC contains RBC contains a very high concentration the enzyme carbonic anhydrase carbonic anhydrase RBC contains a very high concentration the enzyme carbonic anhydrase and a minute quantity of the same as percent to the plasma too. Okay, carbonic anhydrase and a minute quantity of the same as percentage to the plasma too. Okay, this enzyme facilitates the following reaction in both the direction so see the reaction carbon dioxide H2O carbon dioxide H2O by the carbonic anhydrase carbonic anhydrase carbonic anhydrase and carbonic anhydrase carbonic anhydrase so divided HCO3 and H plus so this is the third way once again as bicarbonates about 70% of carbon dioxide is transported by bicarbonates. RBC contains a very high concentration the enzyme bicarbonic anhydrase and a minute quantity. This enzyme facilitate the following reaction. Okay, both the direction CO2 plus H2O carbonic anhydrase H2CO3 anhydrase HCO3 plus H. This is the third way in carbon dioxide transportation. Okay, next one, oxygen dissolved curve. Oxygen dissolved curve. This question is very important in 2 marks. Very important in IPE. Oxygen dissolved curve. Only diagram. This is the only diagrammatic view of oxygen dissolved curve. Okay. Oxygen dissociation. Oxygen dissociation curve. Oxygen dissociation curve. Okay. So this is the oxygen dissociation curve. So this diagram asked me public examination only 2 marks. It is very important. Once again, This is the 2 marks diagram in public examination is very important. Okay, draw this diagram and practice this diagram. You get 2 marks. Very important in 2 marks diagram. Okay.